Hi, my name's Dave Webb from Venture Caravans, and I'm going to show you around the different beds that are fitted to the Redline Campers. This particular model is the Reimo Variotech 3000. It's on the sliding floor system, and you have two levers to hold it in position on the floor and one big lever to manoeuvre it. So you can bring it forward, you can slide it backwards depending on where you want the space. You can lock it into position and now turn it into the bed. So you lift up the front, flip it over. There is a handle at the side which you lift up to drop this backrest down. Get onto the bed, and then you can push the back piece all the way to the back. And that's the Reimo bed made. So this particular model is the Rib 130. It's a triple seat option. You also get the double seat option. The triple seat is fitted in the XS models. The double seat is fitted in the standard sport models. They both feature the sliding mechanism, so you slide it to move it forward, giving you more space or less space at the back depending on what you need. You have a handle at the side here that you lift up in order to lift this base and to bring it down to make the bed. You have a big handle at the back here which you lift up to drop this mechanism down, and then one at the side at the back to drop the rest of the bed down and complete the bed makeup. This Redline range is called the Luxmore, and this features two single beds that also can turn into a double. To turn it into two singles, you've got to rotate the front seats on both the driver's and the passenger seats round, and then you come to the back seat. You have a lever at the side which you pull out to fold this part of the seat over. And while I'm here, I'll also show you how to make the double, which is there's a lever here that you can lever up to pull the two pieces into the middle to make it into a double bed. But this time I'm going to make it into the single. So I'm going to leave it in this position, lift the bar up, drop the seat down. You also have this extra cushion here, which then goes over onto the front seat to make a flatter bed, and there you have your single bed. In the Redline Classic you have the Blade 2 seat. This is a rock and roll type of bed. To release it, you have a lever at the front here. You just lift that and put it towards you, and then you push down and lock it into position, and that's your bed made. To put it back into the seat position, you have an orange lever at the side here. You press that in, it releases the bed mechanism, and it easily pushes back to make a seat.